evening. Indian stocks rallied today, kicking off the new trading week on a solid note as investors chose to overlook the continued uproar in the parliament and instead focus on the positive development in Eurozone. The key Indian stock indices accelerated in the afternoon trade on the back of healthy gains in other Asian markets and a positive opening in European markets. Reports said that European leaders have prepared draft rules for region's bailout fund, while Germany and France are looking at how to deepen the fiscal integration in the Eurozone. Also adding to the positive mood was news that US retail sales jumped over the Thanksgiving weekend. However, retail shares were under pressure, reversing some of the last week's gains as various political parties persisted with their opposition to opening up the sector to foreign companies. Today's advance was mainly led by the large cap stocks. The broader indices underperformed the frontline shares. Market breadth was pretty strong with two-thirds of the stocks on the BSE closing higher. The BSE Sensex gained 475 points to close at 16,171 and the NSE Nifty gained 141 points to close at 4,851. The BSE Small Cap Index and the Mid Cap Index gained 1.8% and 1.5% respectively. Metals were by far the biggest gainers. The BSE Metal Index surged 5%. Banking, oil and gas and PSU indices were up by 3% each. Realty, power, tech and capital good indices were up between 2 to 2.5%. FMCG, IT and pharma indices rose between 1.5 to 2%. Auto and consumer durable indices gained 1% each. European leaders have prepared draft operational rules for the European Financial Stability Facility, the region's bailout fund. The Budget Committee of Germany's lower house of parliament is scheduled to vote on the amended guidelines for the Eurozone's rescue fund. Eurozone and EU finance chiefs are also scheduled to discuss EFSF terms of reference. Most of the Asian markets closed sharply higher due to speculation that the IMF will help Italy financially after nation's borrowing costs surged. The IMF is preparing a €600 billion loan for Italy in case the country's debt crisis worsen, according to reports. However, an IMF spokesperson denied reports that it was in discussion with Italian authorities on a financing plan. Belgium, Italy, Spain and France are due to raise money via debt auctions this week. Jobs data and other important statistics from the US will also be in focus this week. Europe's Stoxx 600 benchmark index was up by almost 3%, while the region's main benchmarks also gained 3% each. US stock futures were pointing to a strong opening today after Thanksgiving retail sales climbed to a record, and media reports increased confidence in European leaders' ability to resolve the region's long-running debt crisis. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.